duck breast, and this one I'm going to prepare with my homemade mojo green sauce or mojo verde, which is a garlic and cilantro and oil. Is very nice. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a very small duck breast. What I did here, I trimmed some of the excess fat, not throwing it away, I just putting it aside. And I created some lines using my knife. So that way when I add salt, pepper, whatever, it's going to go through it. Nice and pretty. I also have some side vegetables that peel and cut and stuff to complement this. And I have my homemade green mojo or mojo verde that I created the other day. And I have a link in the description with the entire process. It's a very short video, very easy. We have cilantro, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and etc. Delicious. So I'm going to use some salt. I'm using sea salt, by the way. Going generous on this side. Some pepper, ground black pepper. Going relatively generous here too. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, I have a cast iron here. This one is small because my duck breast is small. This cast iron is about 100 years old, by the way. I have it at medium high, preheating. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the duck with the skin facing down. Let me add some of the fat too. Because I wanted to, you don't need to add oil. Duck is fatty already. And you're going to cook that side for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Get that grease coming out. Okay. Let that baby cook. After about 4 minutes, see how nice and crispy. You're going to turn it. See how the grease? That's what I didn't use oil. You're going to turn it and you're going to let it cook for about maybe 3-4 minutes, depending on the kind of stove you're using and how you want to cook it. Couple minutes later, you let it out, see how nice it looks in the outside. Put it aside, let it rest. See how nice and pink? Very nice, huh? Look at this beauty. So this is a brief illustration of how I created the mojo verde or my mojo sauce. See link in the description for more details. And simply you start putting this stuff together. The sauce or the mojo. And then you start putting the duck. You know, you make it pretty or whatever, however you want to put it. And once you cut your carrots and add the other vegetables or whatever, you can start garnish it a little bit if you want to. Just a little garnish. That's simple.